Hi everybody, we are getting ready to go to the Cincinnati Zoo PNC Festival of Lights. But before we go, I wanted to show you that we are actually going to bring our hot chocolate instead of buying it when we're there, because it's like, I think it's like $10 just for one hot chocolate. And I can just make it here and bring it in with us. So I wanted to show you what I found at Trader Joe's. This really cute little stirring spoon. It's a hot chocolate stirring spoon with mini marshmallows. And what I'm going to do is, I don't have like a milk steamer, but I'm just boiling water and putting it in like our just regular Nestle hot cocoa packets. And I'm going to use this just to add a little bit more chocolatey flavor, because you never have enough chocolate. So anyway, it's just a really cool little tip, and I just thought these things were really cool. I wanted to show you. And here are some mess-free, well, I don't want to say mess-free, but less visible mess snack ideas for, you know, if you have a small child and they get hungry when they're in there, because the snacks and treats and food that's inside the zoo is pretty pricey. So they've never sent anything to me. I always bring in little snacks like this, and I mean, they don't really go through your bag. So I would say definitely bring something so you don't have to spend a bunch of money on food. But the white Oreos, definitely better than the chocolate. The chocolate, immediately, huge mess. I've made that mistake. Don't do what I did. The Rice Krispie treats, also not a visible mess. And then the plain Pringles, also a very good option. So just some ideas for you if you're traveling, you got a small child, they're hungry. These are some really good options to where if you want to minimize the mess, I would say, the visible mess.